Alright guys, we just finished our 589 for Heishman AG, and let's take a walk around and show you some stuff we did. First thing up front, obviously we've got our best fit 20-inch bumpers on here with I think there's 17 button lights in there. Up top here is our first edition of a flat top visor. I think this one was 11 to 13 inches, mounted to factory brackets. Of course, we built air cleaner panels with lights in them here also. These cow panels, cat panels, and sleeper panels here, our customs provided those with the button lights all in those. Okay, here we changed out the factory pipes with the shields for our best fit 7-inch pipes. True straight pipes, no flex here in the middle. This is straight pipe, no interruptions from elbows on up. Down here is one of our Def Tank Hideaway. And of course, we wrapped it all stainless with the black vinyl bras on the end. We got a visor in the rear windows. Here's some more pieces I custom made. These covers for the vents in the back of the sleeper wall. And we stretched this thing out with Merit deck plate from the sleeper all the way to the fifth wheel. Of course, got one of their in-frame toolboxes with this custom feature added. A really nice touch here. This is one of our coffin box airline boxes here. We got, of course, air and electric in it. These are Vendetta fenders and Vendetta brackets. They're a blind mount fender bracket that goes right into the factory bolt locations. There's no welding to be done, no cutting to be done. It's a really cool deal here. And this light panel here, these 4 lights with another custom item we added onto here. Of course, the clear red lights and the flap hangers are standard spring-loaded flap hangers. All in all, this truck has been provided some challenges. You know, we're kind of still getting our feet wet in the 589 market. We've got a lot of products here and a lot of experience so far that we can start pushing these out a little further. So, let's get outside, take a look at the sun, and